So now let's see how we can work around with group hierarchy inside of Tinkercad. So if I were to bring in this object right here and this object and this object, and if I were to select all and group them together, what happens is that they basically get converted into a single shape. And if I were to double click on this, you can see that they are separate. Let me just go outside right here and ungroup them out. So if I were to bring in the sphere, bring in this cone right here, bring in this roof, let's say for example, bring in the rooftop as well, this is what I have. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to group these shapes together first. So group them out and they are now a group. I'm going to now group these shapes together and then I'm going to group these three shapes together just like this. So you can see that now these are individual groups. So this is a group and then this is a group and then this is a group as well. So now I'm going to further group these out together. So I'm going to group this just like this and I'm going to select all and group them out together. So this is what you have as a final product. So if I were to double click on this, you can see that this is still a group and this is a group. So now I can go around over here and then work around with this. Well, once I double click, you can see that since I actually grouped this out beforehand, you do not really see that they are in the ungrouped format, but they are in subgroup format. So if I were to go around and then ungroup this out, then the previous groups still remain. So I can go around over here, ungroup this. Now these are separate. If I were to go around over here, ungroup this, you can see that they are in the subgroup format as well. And now if I were to ungroup it right here, then only it is in the default state. So that is how you can work around with the group hierarchy inside of Tinkercad. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.